I can read a book.
I can read a book.
I can write.
I can write.
I can sing a song.
I can sing a song.
I can dance.
I can dance.
I can run.
I can run.
I can jump.
I can jump.
I can swim.
I can swim.
I can walk.
I can walk.
I can skip.
I can skip.
I can hop.
I can hop.
I can climb.
I can climb.
I can draw.
I can draw.
I can paint.
I can paint.
I can count.
I can count.
I can color.
I can color.
I can spell.
I can spell.
I can smile.
I can smile.
I can laugh.
I can laugh.
I can talk.
I can talk.
I can listen.
I can listen.
I can help.
I can help.
I can share.
I can share.
I can clean.
I can clean.
I can cook.
I can cook.
I can wash my hands.
I can wash my hands.
I can brush my teeth.
I can brush my teeth.
I can comb my hair.
I can comb my hair.
I can tie my shoes.
I can tie my shoes.
I can ride a bike.
I can ride a bike.
I can fly a kite.
I can fly a kite.
I can play football.
I can play football.
I can play cricket.
I can play cricket.
I can play basketball.
I can play basketball.
I can play with my friends.
I can play with my friends.
I can open the door.
I can open the door.
I can close the window.
I can close the window.
I can carry my bag.
I can carry my bag.
I can water the plants.
I can water the plants.
I can feed my pet.
I can feed my pet.
I can make my bed.
I can make my bed.
I can eat healthy food.
I can eat healthy food.
I can drink water.
I can drink water.
I can say thank you.
I can say thank you.
I can tell the truth.
I can tell the truth.
I can be kind.
I can be kind.
I can be brave.
I can be brave.
I can be honest.
I can be honest.
I can be polite.
I can be polite.
I can learn new things.
I can learn new things.
I can ask questions.
I can ask questions.
I can solve puzzle.
I can solve puzzle.
I can respect elders.
I can respect elders.
I can take care of my family.
I can take care of my family.
I can finish my homework.
I can finish my homework.
I can say sorry.
I can say sorry.
I can hug my mom.
I can hug my mom.
I can take a shower.
I can take a shower.